So in KON-16 we started with 35%. We then increased to 55%, and then very recently to 85%. And what that allows us is to have a much bigger interest in what we believe is a very interesting pre-salt potential block in the Corcel Basin. And we increase our exposure essentially, but that allows us to be able to potentially farm down from a much higher interest position when we come to drilling our well after we've completed the seismic program and we're ready to do so. Yeah. So for KON-16 we had a legacy 2010 2D seismic data. So earlier this year we shot, or last year we shot EFTG across KON-16, and we put that together with a 2D legacy seismic data to be able to help us design the seismic program, which we're going to be starting in the next few months. We're going to be shooting 325 kilometer line seismic across the block, and that will help us identify where we're going to drill the well when we get drill ready. So what we did is when we got the interest up to 85% on the block, we sold 5% of that to Santana Energy. So that did two things. That brought capital into the business, so we were able to utilize part of that to finance our seismic program. But at the same time, we signed a joint study and bid agreement with Santana, which allowed us to together look at potential opportunities for acquisition of producing assets. So that's something that we're actively looking at, and so the partnership with Santana really formed an alliance between the two companies that gives Santana the exposure to KON-16, which is high impact pre-salt potential, and at the same time it gives us a partner that we can look at sort of producing assets as we move forward. So we were here last year. We thought it was a great event, so we decided to come back again. Angola is a market that's become very, very interesting for companies from all over the world. Some of those companies are here. We are a company that is already active in Angola, and we're looking to do deals. We're looking to connect with old friends and engage with government and regulators.